he's still there. Right there. That's the spot right there, guys. No, he's going a little bit to the left. He's going deeper now. Might be scared. He might be the one I caught already. I don't know. He could be. Because I see one earlier like that too. Might be the same fish. I don't know. But it's coming back though. It's turning around. Hopefully it bites. Probably at the bottom by now, I don't know. Let's see, let's try. Let's try driving it. Yeah, I still see the bass right there. Yeah, I'm probably at the bottom now. Yup, I am. Oh, got a hit. Got a hit, guys. It's on, it's on, it's on. Oh, this one's big. Oh, this one's big. Oh, shit. Oh, hell no, this one might be a DD. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Dude, this one might be a DD. Oh, fuck. Come on. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Oh. Oh my god. Fuck. Come on, come on. Low here. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh. Oh shit. Whoa. Woo. God damn. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh shit, I'm shaking, guys. Oh my god, the Senko. Holy fuck. Biggest bass out of my life, dude. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Hai cha hai ơi. Okay. Nó ok rồi.
Yeah.
Okay, tôi thấy là. Oh shit. Yeah. Muốn được quay cho. Okay guys, sway right now. How's it right now? Woo. Nó được trông trời cái nào nó là
cho cái nước phải cho cái gì mà.
cho kiểu nó vậy.
Yeah.
Cho kiểu cá nó rất mày à.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. 10 pound 8 ounce.
Yeah.
10 pound 8 ounce. Yeah, 10 pounds DD, man. Muốn chỗ xa nó để một dạ. Mình nuôi hết bao hết bill. Nên go G kia. Nên go G and a half. Nên 25 and a half inch. Một cái này có phòng kìa. Có muốn để thay khỏi video, muốn để cho sao?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thay rồi ạ.
Alright guys, gonna release my first DD ever, 10 pound 8 ounce. 25 and a half. 25 and a half, yeah.
Yeah.
26.
25 and a half and 10 pounds and 8 ounce.
Look at the mouth of that thing.
Yeah.
Caught on a Senko.
Hold on. Yes. Okay, let's go now.
Let's let this one go. Oh my god. Alright, here she goes.
Go. Hai ta ta.